So first and foremost, this is our group member, Nursyatu Syafiqah binti Bakri, AF210020, Muhammad Nakib Irfan bin Rahmat, CF230112, Siti Nur Mahdiah binti Muhammad Syam, CF230072, Muhammad Izzat bin Yusri, CF220021, and then last but not least, Ubaidullah Zaid bin Siddiq, CF210341. So for introduction, Python is a high-level programming language known as its simplicity, making it popular in choice and various engineering fields. To ensure in this that our programming can be run in this project, we developed Python script utilizing Jupyter Notebook to analyze and compute statically determined beams. Our objective is to develop a Python program that capable of calculating reaction forces and also internal forces at any given point along the beam. Lastly, by leveraging computational methods and principle of structural mechanics, we can gain valuable insights into the behavior beams under different loading conditions. So for pseudocode, we started with the begin and then get values for A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And then length, which is less than X plus Y plus Z. And then start the loop for multiple calculation because we have multiple values. While through do display, choose your calculation. Either we wanted to calculate FEM, stiffness, distribution factor, and moment, or none of them is exit. And then select input enter your selection. If select one, then display FEM calculation. And then if display FEM values. Else if select 2, then stiffness calculation. We insert the value and then display stiffness values, total stiffness, and then display total stiffness. And then if select 3, then distribution factor calculation. We input the information needed and then display distribution factor values. Else if select is equals to 4, then end moment calculation. We insert the number needed for the calculation for end moment calculation and then display modified moments. Balance and carryover calculation, balance for the first iteration, and then run the balances, display balance results. And then carryover for the first iteration, and then run carryovers and then display carryover results. And then balance for the second iteration, run balances and display balance results, and then carryover for second iteration, run carryovers and then display carryover results. And then balance for third iteration, we insert the information needed, run balances, display balance results. Carryover for third iteration, run carryovers, display carryover results. And then balance for fourth iteration, run balances, display balance results. And then for final moment calculation and moment, insert and moment, and then for BA, BC, CB, CD, and then display final moments. And else if select 5, then break. Else display invalid selection, please try again, and while and end.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nakib Irfan bin Rahmat and my metric number is CF230113. I will talk about flowchart. The begin code by prompting the user to input value for 3 coefficient A, B, C and 3 length X, Y, Z. These values are then used to calculate the total length. The main part of the program consists of a loop that continuously presents the user with a menu of calculation option, fixed end moment (FEM), stiffness, distribution factor, and end moment. Depending on the user selection, the program performs the corresponding calculation, displaying intermediate result as necessary. The loop continues until the user chooses to exit by selecting option 5. Thank you.
Okay, and I will present program user manual. Okay, for the first step is insert the value of A, B, and C. The value A, B, and C is for the UDL. And the second step is insert the value of X, Y, and Z for the lag, like the diagram was given. And next step, choose any of the selection from 1 until 4. Next, the program will display the result for the calculations. After the result of calculation will show, you can repeat again step 1 until 3 until all the value you want to put is already finished. Then you can exit the program.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I would like to explain about our coding. So first of all, this coding is to calculate the end moment. So when you started this program, you will be asked to insert the value for A, B, C, X, Y, Z, where it is represent the UDL and the length. After that, you will be asked to select from 4 options: FEM, stiffness, distribution moment, exit, and finally exit. For this coding, we are using the if, elif, and else method to do the part of choosing part. We're using if, elif, and else method. We also use the looping, started the looping with while true. Okay, for the next part is for the repetition. We also use some repetition for bars, for balance and carryover. The repetition is to make sure that the final moment calculation will be correct. And will get the value for the correct final moment. So to end the loop, we use command break, and to end this program, the user need to select option 5. If the user select other than 5 option, this coding will show invalid selection, and you will be asked to try the restart and try the program again. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Bedumar Zaid Sido. My matrix number is CF210341. For our conclusion, as a student in civil engineering, mastering Python for structural analysis offers several key advantages. Python's intuitive syntax and intensive library of a system accelerate the understanding and implementation of complex algorithms used in structural engineering calculation. Additionally, Python capabilities in numerical simulation, statistical analysis, and data visualization empower students to perform accurately truthful analysis, crucial for advancing in the field of civil engineering. That's all from us. Thank you.